Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Chef Kirk at work. You know we're down here in Miami, and you know what week it is. It's Super Bowl week. It's about to get crazy. So before the week get crazy, before my weekend get crazy with a whole bunch of catering, I wanted to do something special for you guys. I wanted to show you guys how to make, how my Zoe say, some show fire wings right now for y'all mother lovers. You know what I mean? Caliente for my Latins. And for my Jamaican, you don't know, so I make it nice and hot for them. Alright? So right now I'm going to show you guys two different versions of chicken wings, right? I'm going to show you guys a vegan cauliflower chicken wing, and I'm going to show you the standard traditional chicken wings, if you want to call it that. But I'm going to put my spices and my flavors to it. So stay tuned as I get through this kitchen player. Alright, so first line of business, you want to set your oven or preheat your oven to 375. I was going to put 305 because you know we're down here in the dirty. But now we need 375 to get our chicken nice and crispy. And our cauliflowers as well too. So set that, and then that's it.
Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
As you can see, that took us about, what, 15 minutes to get done. Let's take a look. And you know, Super Bowl time, my team Jets is not in the playoff right now. But, you know, I got to represent the Jets all day long, baby. So let's get into this bad boy. So as you can see, we have some dry wings over here. Woo! We have some of the barbecue fried right here. And of course, we have our vegan option to the right. So right now, I'm salivating because that means this food looking good. I'm getting hungry. Let's start off with this bad boy first. Let's see what's that. Caliente. All right, let's go We go with these one of these. You know what? I'm gonna save that for last. I'm gonna go with this bad boy. This one's called my name. This one here is a dry ring. Listen to that crunch. I'm gonna All right, so, and then go with this one. Let me try this one. I mean, if that one was that good, let's try this bad boy right here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm telling you, so good. So good. Oh my God. So good. Yo, listen. Try my recipe. I show you guys the ingredients. Real simple, real easy. Man, I'm not gonna lie to you. This pineapple jerk barbecue is on fire. It's on fire. Oh my God. It's on fire. All right. Hey, enjoy the Super Bowl. Try my wings. Peace.